Hi, I'm Yuvraj from Brainstorm Force, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your WordPress website or reset your WordPress database. So currently this is a site we are working with, and I'm going to show you how to reset your WordPress website. Now technically we already have a video on our channel that describes the same process, but it was recorded a few years ago and the plugin that we recommended is a bit outdated. So that's why we're making this new video, so we can tell you about the latest plugins that work. So before I show you the process, let me talk about why would you need to reset your WordPress website in the first place. For example, if you're building a website, everything doesn't fall into place the first time. It doesn't look perfect like this theme right here. What happens is you experiment with a few themes, maybe a few plugins, you experiment with the logos, the colors, the fonts, the design, and every aspect of your website. And sometimes you just don't want to make changes to the website to fix it, you just want to start fresh. So instead of deleting your website and then installing WordPress on it again or contacting your host to do it, resetting your WordPress website is a much faster way. And it achieves the same thing. It will give you a blank slate like a fresh WordPress install so you can start building your website once again. I hope you understood why you would do this. So let's start with the process. So first step would be to log into your admin area, go to plugins, add new. On the plugin install page, go to the search option and type in WP Reset. Once the search is complete, you'll find a bunch of plugins to choose from. This plugin, but the one that I recommend and I have personally used is the Advanced WordPress Reset plugin by Yunus JFR. I'll leave a link down in the description of this video so you can directly go to the plugin page. Let's install the plugin and I'll show you how easy it is to reset your WordPress website with this plugin. Once the plugin is installed and activated, all you have to do is go to Tools and you'll find the option of Advanced WP Reset. Just click on it to enter the settings. And this is the moment of truth where we'll reset our WordPress website. But before I do that, or I show you how to do that, I would like to talk about what will happen or the exact things that will happen if you reset your website. First things first, every post page, custom post type that you have on your website, that means all the content will be deleted. So make sure you have everything backed up if you want to preserve that data. Second, all the plugins and themes on your website will be deactivated except this plugin itself. Third, your current user, if it's an admin user, will not be deleted but will be recreated with the same credentials. So you will be able to log into your website using the same credentials. And everything that I talked about is also mentioned right here. So you can just read it, pause the video right now and read everything that I just talked about. Once you're sure what you're doing, just come to this dialog box or text field and type in reset, as you can see right here. And once you're sure, just click this button right here. And once again, it will ask you if you're sure that you want to reset your website, just press the continue button if you're sure. And as you notice, I'm automatically redirected to the login page of my website. I log in with my existing credentials. And now let's check out how the website appears. And as you can see, all the content on my website has disappeared. It's just a blank WordPress install. This is using the latest 2021 theme, which is the default WordPress theme. So every content or any content that I have on my website was deleted, but the plugins and themes I was using on my website are just deactivated. They're not deleted. So you can reactivate them and the settings for the plugins that you were using will still come back, or you can just delete them if you like. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And before you go, make sure to watch some of the other videos on WordPress that we've done. You were listening to Yuvraj from Brainstorm Force. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, stay safe.